All right, so our affirmation for the day. Whatever I can believe, I can achieve. Now, we've talked a lot about monitoring our thoughts, about consciously and deliberately entertaining thoughts that serve us. Remember, our thoughts lead to our feelings lead to our words and actions, and our words and actions lead to the outcomes that we experience. Positive thoughts, positive feelings, positive words and actions, positive outcomes. So the power of belief. So we've talked about this a lot, but I think this really kind of brings it all together for me. Whatever I can believe, I can achieve. Now, most of us, I'll speak for myself, most of my life I've had such a habitual, negative, non-productive stream of consciousness, stream of thinking, that it's taken some time to reprogram that. And we talk about this every week. We can reprogram through things like affirmations, vision statement, guided visualizations, a vision board, and or a mind movie, amongst other things, as well as just kind of listening to positive life-affirming literature, or reading positive life-affirming literature, listening to positive life-affirming programs. And what we're doing is we're reprogramming. Now, our beliefs really run our life. And the problem is many of us have very negative beliefs about ourselves, who we are, what we're capable of achieving in life, how much we deserve from life, and so on. So what I'm suggesting, and what I've been suggesting all along, is that we begin to shift those thoughts and build beliefs. Now, it's really interesting, if you're familiar with law of attraction, Esther Hicks and Abraham says that a belief is just a thought that you keep thinking. It's a thought that we keep thinking over and over and over again. That's what creates beliefs. And most of the time we're doing this unconsciously, and most of the time we're doing it in a very negative way. It's all about our limitations. It's all about how things are not going to work out. It's all about how people are not going to like us. It's all that negative stuff. And by affirming that over and over and over again, we're building beliefs. Now, why is that important? Well, it may take a while to turn the ship. It may take a while to shift that self-image, to shift those core beliefs about ourselves from the negative to the positive. All right? But it's really important to begin to work on that pretty much every day, because whatever I can believe, I can achieve. And the opposite is also true. It's going to be very difficult to create the life we want if we don't believe that we can achieve it, if we don't believe it's possible for us, if we don't believe that we deserve to have that in our lives. All right? So belief is directly related to achievement. And it could be anything. You know, it could be a new relationship. It could be more money in the bank. It could be better health. It could be a new career. We have to bring our conscious, deliberate thought processes in alignment with that goal, what we want to achieve. And we have to get to the point where we believe it's possible for us to achieve it. Now, the thing I said last couple weeks ago when we were talking about this, the most important thing to do is stay out of the how. We don't have to know how it's going to happen. We just have to know what and why. So what we want to achieve and why we want to achieve it. The minute we start thinking about how it's going to happen, that's when the mind takes over and all the negative thoughts come up, because the reality is if we knew how to do it, we probably already have it in our lives. So we want to stay out of the how, focus on what we want, why we want it, generate that positive belief in ourselves and in the process, and that will carry us to where we want to get in life.